Defender 110, restored in Borealis black, commanding, wide-bodied, and impossible to ignore. This is Project Lancashire. Beneath the surface, a 6.2-litre LT1 V8 paired with 10-speed automatic transmission delivers relentless precision. Heavy-duty stock axles, E.C.D road suspension, and Koni adjustable shocks mean this machine is as controlled on the asphalt as it is unstoppable off it. The stance is pure dominance: 18-inch Sawtooth wheels, wide body armour, hella black LED spotlights, and a 6-point external roll cage. Every line, every detail engineered for presence. Inside, rugged strength gives way to refined craftsmanship. Black and royal Cognac leather, diamond stitched throughout, wrapped Corbeau trail cats, seating in a 2-2-4 configuration. Heated fronts, rear AC, dual active subs, wireless charging, and a digital rear-view mirror ensure every journey balances raw power with absolute comfort. It's a custom Defender with heritage, power, and luxury, a rare beauty built for modern roads.